In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to permanently delete your Discord account. This removes your personal data from Discord servers, reducing the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. To do this, simply head to Discord. You want to tap onto your profile icon at the bottom right. Then head to Settings. On the Settings page, select Account. You will then navigate onto the option of Delete Account. It's the last option. To delete your account, you have to first make sure you are not a Discord server owner. So you have to first delete or remove ownership from any Discord server. I already made a video on how to delete a Discord server. It's also in this video description. You can check it out. If you are no longer a Discord server owner, you can go ahead and delete your Discord account. Well, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials.